Students, let's see mechanism of hot concentrated HI with ethers. So if we take primary and secondary alkyl group containing ethers, if we take primary and secondary alkyl group containing ethers, then how the reaction takes place. Let's see. So primary and secondary group containing ether, first we take ethyl methyl ether. So formula of ethyl methyl ether is CH3O CH2CH3. When it is treated with hot concentrated HI, and when the mixture is heated, reversibly reaction takes place. Now let's see what happened. This iodine present in HI is highly electronegative, so it attracts this pair of electron towards itself and the bond breaks. So when this bond breaks heterolytically, iodine is highly electronegative, so there is a formation of H plus and I minus is formed. This H plus and I minus is formed. This H plus attracted towards this oxygen. This oxygen donate pair of electron to the hydrogen and bonded with it. So what happened? This further proceed and gives CH3 as it is, OH, CH2, CH3 plus I minus is the byproduct. Now when the reaction proceed further, due to donation of this oxygen donate this pair of electron acquire positive charge and become unstable. Now what happened? This bond breaks from here. So due to this less substituted, this bond breaks in between carbon and oxygen. This bond breaks. This is less substituted bond breaks, and this bond is not breaks with the oxygen. But here priority goes to breaking of bond between CH3 and O. This bond again breaks heterolytically, means both these electrons attracted by oxygen, and there is a formation of, this is first step, CH3 plus is formed plus this OH minus is formed here with its 2 electron, and the charge is replaced. So ethyl alcohol is formed, and in the second step, in this step, this I minus with its lone pair combine with CH3 and it gives CH3I. So here this I minus, by using its pair of electron, finally it gives CH3I methyl iodide. So this is methyl iodide is formed, and both are important. Here in this step, this I minus as well as CH3 plus both are important, and that's why this is SN2 mechanism reaction is formed or takes place during the reaction. Now this ethyl alcohol further undergoes reaction with HI. Same way the reaction takes place. This iodine is highly electronegative, so attract a pair of electron towards itself. This oxygen supply this pair of electron to hydrogen and form the bond with this hydrogen. Here OH2 acquire positive charge, and this CH2 CH3 as it is. Further this CH2 CH3, the bond between oxygen and CH2 CH3 breaks, and we get here the bond breaks from here, oxygen, and this bond breaks heterolytically. So these 2 electrons are again attracted towards oxygen. Oxygen is highly electronegative, and there is a formation of H2O, which is neutral molecule, plus this CH2 plus and I minus formed in the first step. So here formation of I is there, I minus is there, and here is formation of CH2 plus CH2CH3 plus ethyl carbocation combine with each other. This I minus combine with ethyl carbocation and form ethyl iodide. So finally here we get again its corresponding ethyl iodide. So like this way ethers are converted into its corresponding alkyl iodides when the reaction takes place with primary and secondary alkyl group containing ethers. So primary say once again, when primary and secondary alkyl group containing ethers treated with HI in hot condition, then this in HI this bond breaks heterolytically and form H plus and I minus. So this H plus bonded to this oxygen donate pair of electron to the H plus and bonded to it and acquire positive charge on oxygen. Now in the second step, this is the fast step. So this unstable intermediate undergoes fast reaction with, so the bond between C and O breaks heterolytically. Oxygen attracts this pair of electron towards itself. There is a formation of ethyl alcohol. At the same time this CH3 plus form combine with this I minus and we get its corresponding methyl iodide. So in this step both the concentration are equally important. I minus and CH3 plus both concentration are equally important, and that's why this is SN2 mechanism takes place during this reaction. Now this ethyl alcohol undergoes reaction with excess of HI is there, so this HI molecule combine with this ethyl alcohol. Again same way the bond breaks heterolytically from here and H plus and I minus is formed. This H plus by this H plus is bonded to oxygen. Oxygen donate this pair of electron to the hydrogen and bonded to it. So here O plus again formed, which is unstable, and further it form the bond between oxygen carbon breaks heterolytically. So this oxygen attracts this pair of electron towards itself and there is a formation of water molecule, and this C2H5 plus combine with I minus and finally it gives its corresponding ethyl iodide. So this is the SN2 mechanism takes place in primary and secondary alkyl group containing ethers. Now in case of tertiary alkyl group containing compound, so in tertiary alkyl group containing compound containing ethers, how the reaction takes place. See, if the tertiary alkyl group is present in the ether, so we take an example of tertiary butyl group. This is the tertiary butyl group attached to ether with further CH3 group. When it is treated with hot HI, reversibly it gives. So here again this bond breaks heterolytically, H plus and I minus is formed, and this oxygen acquire two lone pair electron. So by using this pair of electron, it donate this pair of electron to hydrogen and form bond with hydrogen. So let's see here is CH3. See here I can write here. So CH3, this CH3 as it is, here oxygen is bonded with hydrogen and acquire positive charge on it. Here CH3 as it is, and I minus is formed, which is the byproduct, plus I minus. This is the byproduct. Now what happened? Now this bond between oxygen and here see here two types of bonds are there. This carbon which is more substituted and this carbon is less substituted, that is less steric hindrance, electron crowd is less around this carbon. Around this carbon electron crowd is more, so More electron crowd, the bond breaks from here. More substituted carbon oxygen bond breaks and form. So we get here this is the slow step, and in this step we get stable tertiary carbocation is formed. See here, this bond again breaks heterolytically, so these both electron attracted by the oxygen, and we get here stable tertiary carbocation is formed. Tertiary butyl carbocation is formed, which is the most stable, plus other molecule is that is CH3OH, methyl alcohol is formed. Now this tertiary carbocation, that is tertiary butyl carbocation, is most stable, and this combined with this I minus which is present in the solution, and finally it gives its corresponding tertiary butyl iodide. Tertiary butyl iodide is formed. Now this second byproduct, that is methyl alcohol, if excess of HI is there, so reaction takes place same way. This heterolytic breaking takes place. Here H plus and I minus is formed. This H plus, this to this H plus, oxygen donate this pair of electron and form the bond. So how the bond is formed? See here, this OH as it is bonded with this one more hydrogen bonded to this oxygen, acquire positive charge, and CH3 as it is, plus I minus is there. Now this I minus combined with this CH plus, so what happen here? Oxygen is less stable. To get stability, this bond breaks heterolytically. So OCH3 bond breaks heterolytically, and this both electron goes towards the attracted towards the oxygen because it is highly electronegative, and there is a formation of neutral water molecule is formed, plus CH3 plus is formed, which combine with I minus, and finally we get its corresponding CH3I, methyl iodide is formed. So again we get its corresponding alkyl iodides. So this is about the tertiary alkyl group containing ether. So let's see here, in the second step, this stable tertiary carbocation is formed, and due to its stability is not depends on this I minus concentration. So here SN1 mechanism is takes place in this tertiary carbocation, formation of tertiary carbocation reaction, that is in ether. See, in ether, if there is tertiary alkyl group is present, then the reaction takes place by which mechanism? By SN1 mechanism, because this intermediate tertiary carbocation is more stable and is not depends on I minus concentration. So that's why this is SN1 mechanism, and this is slow step reaction mechanism, first step, and finally it gives again its corresponding tertiary butyl iodide compound. Okay, so this is about the mechanism in case of tertiary alkyl group containing ethers. Now one more example is there. If we take, what about the aromatic ethers? If we take an example of anisole, that is to the benzene ring OCH3 group is attached. So this is anisole when treated with HI. Now here again the bond breaks heterolytically at about high temperature, 398 Kelvin temperature. When it is heated about 398 Kelvin temperature. Now here again the bond breaks heterolytically. H plus and I minus is formed. This on this oxygen there are two lone pair of electrons are there, and same way this H plus attracted, or this O oxygen donate its lone pair electron to the H plus and bonded to H plus and form the phenols. So this bond is not breaks in this phenol because this benzene ring form the resonating structures and which is most stable one, and that's why there is no any further reaction is takes place. So here the bond breaks in between oxygen and carbon with this alkyl group, and finally here we get OH attached to this benzene ring, so phenol is formed, phenol plus byproduct CH3I. This phenol not further proceed this reaction. Here we get finally phenol plus methyl iodide, and the reaction is stopped at this step. So this is the most important reaction. In case of anisole, that is aromatic ethers, the only one step reaction is proceed, and when anisole is treated with hot HI at about 398 Kelvin, it gives the bond between oxygen and alkyl group breaks. No breaking of the bond is not break between this oxygen and phenyl group, because this bond is very strong as compared to OCH3 bond, because due to resonance stability and the bond length of this oxygen and carbon is short. So shorter the bond is stronger one, and which is not breaks during the reaction, so remains as it is, and we get here phenol plus CH3I. So here we complete the reaction with hot HI.